Hello friends, welcome back to the bench. Thank you very much for joining me. Our patient is in X870E Tomahawk AM5 socket. Let's see the damage. The damage is not too bad. Well, it is because yeah, I see one pin over there is completely broken. Yeah, because other than that, this could be fixed. Horrible outline. I hate these outlines. So you see the socket is shifting a bit to the left, right? We're in the center and the socket's shifting to the left. It's moving away from the top line and it is moving away from the bottom line. Now it's sitting on the bottom line. Now it's going over the right line a little bit. And it's going over the left line a little more bit. Crazy. I hate aligning these. Actually, maybe I'll add my own outline as well. Although this usually also doesn't work that great. We have some paste left over, which is fine. Not a lot of it. But let's oh yeah, this is thermal paste, so let's cover these components over here just so we don't have to worry about them. And on the left we don't really care because yeah, we don't really touch the left, but here this is where the thermocouple sits, so it's better to protect these, because sometimes you might remove one of those resistors and suddenly the CPU is not detected because yeah, data line damaged. And what is this? Oh, we have damage to the data lines on the board, which is too bad. See this damage here? Yeah, that's definitely damaged. So the CPU might not be detected anymore. This looks like a screwdriver slipped, perhaps, who knows, or maybe something fell on it. But we have a damage to the board. Well, we're just gonna replace the socket and hope for the best, I guess. What else can we do? Hopefully this isn't the damage that would cause the CPU to not work. But who knows? With damage to the board, you know, everything is on the table. Because the top layer, sure, the trace is a little damaged, but it could cause damage further down. We don't know what's underneath, so the board is kind of compromised in that sense. It's double PCH, very nice, and 1, 2, 3, 4 SSDs. We have LEDs over here, CPU, DRAM, VGA, and boot, so that's how I like them. Because if usually, so what I do, if I do like testing and stuff like that, then, you know, if it goes past CPU, if it lights up CPU and goes to memory, then, you know, I call it fixed. But it's the CPU that talks to the memory. So if it's stuck on the memory, it can still be a problem with the socket as well. But our new Flux is working wonders. It improves the success rate of those socket replacements. So let's hope this will be a success. All right, let's roll the footage. Alright, and we're done. I didn't push it through the ultrasonic cleaner yet because I need to finish this video and start fulfilling the orders for Flux. By the way, I forgot that I only had a quantity of 20 in my last listing. So I published another listing. So if you go to the link and the link says that it's sold out, just click on the other sellers, other items, and you'll find it over there. It's $10.99, or actually you can bid on any of the Flux listings, and you get 559 formula, but they're more expensive, right? They're like $12 instead of, or 11.99 or something like that. This one is $10.99. And that's a great price. All right, let's see the alignment. Yeah, I think it looks the same, right? It's pushing a little bit off the top line, right? It's a little bit shifted to the left, right? It's going over this line and sitting on this line. That's how it was, and it's a little pushed from the bottom line. So I think the alignment is the same as we had before. So I think it's good. Let's hope it is. Now I drowned it in Flux, as you can see, and I only sprayed it with alcohol right now, nothing more. So this is not, this hasn't been cleaned, so there's like a lot of gunk in it. But you don't even need, with this Flux, turns out you don't even need an ultrasonic cleaner. You can use very soft cleaning, like Tony does with this little soft it also uses ultrasonic, but it's like really mild, right? I use relatively aggressive ultrasonic, so but that's probably around 3 minutes of aggressive ultrasonic cleaning, or you can just spray alcohol a few times and just let it just flow, let all the flux flow out of it. It doesn't burn, it doesn't turn into crystal like the other blends I had did. So it's a lot easier for cleaning. But don't take my word for it. See Tony's video. Alrighty, I think this will be good, hopefully. Yeah, it should be good. It looks aligned. Everything looks good here. It dropped relatively early, and after it drops, I also drown it in Flux. So everything solders on correctly. There's no bending to the board. So it hasn't been overheated. It took the procedure very nicely. No missing cups at the back of the board. So everything should be good. Thank you guys very much for watching. I do appreciate you, and I shall see you guys in the next one.